Mahakumbh 2025 comes to an end, and also I will be highlighting the Well, today, the 11th day of the Mahakumbh 2025 comes to an end, and also I will be highlighting the important thing that have happened today, but also there was a record devotees that are reaching to Mahakumbh. Also, Mahakumbh in Prayagraj has witnessed an unprecedented turnout of the devotees, and also with over 10 crore people taking a holy dip in the Triveni Sangam. This is the confluence of Ma Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati, where devotees are coming to see, the divine atmosphere, also the rituals that are being followed, and also to perform the religious activities, to perform those traditions that have been followed in the past few years. Also, the historic milestone have been achieved today itself, reflecting the immense faith and devotion of the sants, sadhus, kalpvasis, pilgrims who are visiting the Mahakumbh. Also, apart from that, the Yogi government estimate this time is of 400 million, and this estimates which the recent data which shows that more than 10 crore people have already visited and took a holy bath shows itself that the estimate might come also true. Also, when we talk about this, today alone, 30 lakh devotees, including 10 lakh Kalpvasis, participated in the holy ritual, contributing to the steady flow of daily pilgrims. Continuously we are seeing a massive crowd at the Mahakumbh, and this number in fact is going to increase in the coming days too. And also today, a renowned storyteller and the spiritual leader Devki Nandan Thakur has lauded the explanatory precautions made under the leadership of Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath for the Mahakumbh 2025. He commended the Uttar Pradesh government efforts in ensuring the top-notch arrangement that is being done by the government to ensure the safety, security, and also to provide the all arrangements for what are needed to be there at the Mahakumbh 2025. So we can clearly see a massive arrangement which is leading to the devotees being happy and going back their home happily and getting all the arrangements here at the Mahakumbh. So that's all for today. I'm Arzu Seth with video journalist Himanshu Negi for NewsX in Prayagraj.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.